Saturday morning. Husband's working a side job. He's been working one for about 2 months now. Usually I make pancakes on Saturday morning. Yeah, it's right there. It's cooking. Don't touch the pan though. It's hot. I think only one kid's still asleep. Don't touch it. It's hot. No, that one. You can eat that one. The rest of them are for when everybody else wakes up. Okay, oops. That's not good. You know, Mom's not really talented in the making YouTube videos and flipping pancakes department. Here, take it. It's hot. Okay. Pot. They're already fighting. My kids love to argue. Huh. Where's Allie? Playing what?
Animals. Playing LSAN.
LSAN? What the heck is that?
She's having a little meeting. Who's going to be the president of stuffed
animals?
Animals.
Her club. Okay. Mommy, it's cooking and then we're all going to sit down and eat.
Mom, we also had a pancake.
Yeah, don't touch the stove.
Can we have hot dogs?
Why do I have to stop saying that? I can't say Daddy's going to barbecue steak tonight?
Can you make pan?
No. Get your hands off of there.
It's hot? Mommy, is the plate hot? Can Daddy make hot dogs so we have some?
I don't know. Let's see. Probably, because I don't think the tri-tip's that big. Why doesn't somebody go wake up Parker? Tell him to get up. It's almost time to eat. This should be good. We're about to hear some screaming. Are you hungry? Yeah. He's already awake. Uh-oh, pancake overboard. Don't touch it. I'll get it.